don't understand, I'll remember that I am just a man. And when I don't think I can, I will give you both of my hands.
It's taken me so long to discover that my will is only so strong. And it's taken me so long to see that my well is only so deep. But now I know that I need God to carry on. When I don't understand, I remember that I am just a man. And when I don't think I can, I will give you both of my hands. Well, I am just a man and I don't understand all the things that happen to you and me. We're not meant to know everything, but that's okay, cause it's a part of the journey. Some things are left to the divine, but if you seek, then you will find many good things in the spirit you'll see. And wiser you will be, so knock, knock, and he'll answer the door. Bring a big cup, and in it he will pour. He'll give you some love, then he'll give you some more. His name is the good Lord. His name is the good Lord.
Chasing the red like a bull, that's the blood of my Christ. He dead, then he rose. Travel to the unknown. It's a long, crooked road, then we get home. Look in the mirror, what's your virtue? Where you tripping, where you're honing, work the old you. Rise up my friend, away with the sin, a new day begins.
You've been chosen, you've been adopted in, you're a kid again. You've been chosen, you've been adopted in, you're a kid again. You've been chosen, you've been adopted in, you're a kid again. You've been chosen, you've been adopted in, you're a kid again.
Use the earth to build, water to heal, and if you need desire, you gotta build your fire and pray for the wind to bring it in. Pray for the wind to bring it in.
It's taken me so long to discover that my will is only so strong. And it's taken me so long to see that my well is only so deep. But now I know that I need God to carry on.